Before I show you this apartment, I want to show you this. This is 120 square meters of terrace, outdoors. In the 16 years that I've been here in Medellin, I can count on my hand how many times I've seen a property with a giant sized terrace like this. So what's the catch? It means that it's ground floor. It means that you don't have an amazing view of the valley. At this price point, that's why a lot of people scroll. If you don't scroll, in the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you why this is a great property. My name is Andrew. I've been living in Medellin for 16 years. I am the owner of MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. When you're ready to buy a property in Medellin within the next 30 days and you have a budget of over $150,000, there's a link in the description. You fill out that form and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. Let's go. I've had clients ask me for outdoor space like this, a place where their kids can run around, where their pets can play, where they could just breathe. This place answers that request. Let me walk you through this entire apartment and tell you exactly who this is for and who should keep scrolling. We are located in El Poblado, about a 9-minute walk from Provenza and Parque, but you're not in Provenza and Parque, which means that you're close enough to all the action, but far enough where you don't get any of the noise. No party street, no bar crowds, quiet residential neighborhood. That distinction matters a lot at this price point. 29-year-old building, but this unit was fully remodeled in 2018. Walk in here and nothing feels dated. Hardwood floors throughout, open concept living and dining area, high ceilings, good flow. It doesn't feel like a ground floor apartment inside. And that surprised me the first time I walked in. This kitchen is set up so that you actually want to cook on it. It's got stainless steel appliances, the gas stove, open area. It opens up right into the living room and the dining area is right here. This is great for hosting or families that just want to be together all of the time. Someone designed this properly. This wasn't just an afterthought. So this entire apartment is 252 square meters, 120 outside in the terrace and 132 here. Let me show you the rest of this apartment here. The first thing you'll notice is this bathroom. This is just a guest bathroom, but I love how they remodeled this. All right, now let's go look at the first guest bedroom over here and look at this. I like what they did here. Although this could be a full bedroom, they kind of have it like a lounge area. It even has a desk over here and it has its own bathroom. Look how big this bathroom is. Check out this shower over here. And every single bathroom, you'll notice that it has different pattern tiles on the floor, which makes it very unique. All right, this is the first guest bedroom. Let's check out the next one over here. If you follow me, you'll see that this one's slightly bigger. Actually, it's pretty much twice the size. It's got a king size bed. It's got its own bathroom over here that is also very big, different colored or different design tile. The great thing about these two guest bedrooms is that they're great when you have friends or family over, or for your kids, or if you rent this out on Airbnb, more heads in beds means more money. Now, if the giant terrace is a selling point for you, don't sleep on the master bedroom. Let's go see it. All right, take a look at this sized master bedroom. You've got a king size bed. You've got a little lounge area here, built-in wood closet, and the kicker is this bathroom. Check this out. This in-suite bathroom with double sinks, perfect fixtures, custom geometric tile floor. This is not a cheap renovation. You can see where the money went. Double sinks, if you're living here full-time or renting it out, that detail matters more than people realize. I want you to do the math. 132 square meters inside, 120 square meters out here. That's over 2,700 square feet. It's almost impossible to find this type of apartment in El Poblado at this price point. You've got an outdoor dining setup, lounge area, landscaping and lighting, pergola, barbecue area. You could put a jacuzzi out here, no problem. If you've got kids, you have a yard for them in El Poblado. Do you know how rare that is? If you have a dog, done. If you want to host the dinners outside, this is the perfect place. Okay, two things I need to tell you, and I'm going to be straight with you. The first one is that this is a ground floor. If you need a view, you need the city lights, and you're not willing to compromise that for this giant space, then this apartment's not for you. Number 2 is the HOA. Right now, the HOA is about $614 a month. That currently has been covering 24/7 security, 2 parking spots, and all of the building maintenance. However, they are currently working on getting a virtual security guard to handle half of the day at least. That should reduce the HOA costs. Regardless, it's still on the high side for Medellin. Property tax is about $1,500 a year, which is relatively low compared to property tax in other countries like the United States. But it's something that you want to factor in. So you're around $700 to $750 on carrying costs before you even get to utilities and internet. So that's the full picture, no surprises. Final verdict, would I buy this? I have a kid, so yes, this would definitely be right up my alley. If you're someone that has a family, if you've got a dog, if you're afraid of heights, this place is great for you. If you're someone that knows Medellin and you want to be near Provenza, Parque Lleras, Parque del Poblado, Barrio Manila, all of the great amenities this neighborhood has to offer, then yes, this is a perfect spot for you. You're not going to find 120 square meters of terrace in El Poblado at this price point. It being on a ground floor is the reason why the price is not through the roof, because if it were on a higher floor, it could be double the price. There's no doubt that this apartment is one of a kind, but you know what else is one of a kind? Medellin Living Real Estate. We don't work with everyone and anyone. We are a boutique real estate company that works one-on-one with people like yourself. We don't have clients, we have business partners. We take all of your information and find you the perfect fit. We don't send you a bunch of random WhatsApp messages with links to random listings. We sit down with you, build a list of only 5 to 10 properties, and then we go take a look at them and help you negotiate them and walk you through the whole process. If this personal level of service is important to you, when you are ready to buy within the next 30 days and you have a budget of over $150,000 and you're ready to use our proven system to find you a great deal in Medellin, there's a link in the description below. Fill out that form and we'll get in touch. See you guys in the next one.